Hello everybody, Joan Moba here. There are many tools outside there called large language models tools. These are tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Mistral, Claude AI that have taken over the market because they help people in different fields to be more effective and efficient in their daily works. What about software tester? Personally, as a software tester, I'm also using these tools to be really effective in my daily task along the software testing process. That's why today I want to introduce you to these different tools so that not only that you know that they exist, but that you also can start to experience them and to see how you can leverage their power, their features in the task that you have to do daily. It might be in offering, for example, if you have to write some emails with stakeholders, if you have to offer test plans, test concept, test processes. It can also be if you have to create test cases, if you have to create, for example, test scenarios, if you want to also to generate test data, and if you want to analyze bug report or also analyze user stories and eventually extract, for example, test conditions, and so inspect the testability, for example, of a user story. There are so many use cases that you can use this tool to be straightforward to the point. So now, the tools, in order to use them, it will be important for you, to subscribe on the website, generally online. Some tools are not only online, but they are also as an app. They can be available as an application already. So you will need to subscribe. You need an internet connection and a browser. Generally, these are the requirements. And you will set up a user account. And also then you can adapt some the language of the tool if you want, the appearance, and more. And then you can start what they call conversations, conversation with this AI chatbots. Now, here I will show you different ones. Here I have a window already open for ChatGPT from OpenAI, the company. You have Gemini here from Google. You have Claude AI, you have from the company Anthropic, and you have Mistral AI here, the chat from Mistral AI, the company. This one is not really a large language model tool for generative AI, but this is mainly a research engine, also called Perplexity. I want also to present you that quickly. And you are also POE, which is not a large language model, but here you can you have the possibility to access the different many language models. This is a kind of an aggregator of many large language models. Now, here, for example, when you come refer to ChatGPT, so you will go to chatgpt.com generally, and then you will subscribe, set up your account there or on chat.openai.com. Yeah, when you are there, then you have also the possibility, you see here, here you have this prompt window when you can already start a conversation. And here I will start a new conversation. I will say, for example, who are you? Who are you? We will ask ChatGPT itself, who are you? And you see here, I'm ChatGPT, your AI assistant created by OpenAI. I'm here to help with questions, ideas, advice, and pretty much anything. So you see here, the first thing I want also to let you know is that don't use this tool just like a kind of question answer tools. No, these tools are more than that. They can help you to be more creative, to refine ideas, to iterate on many ideas. Don't just use them like a smart guy where you just ask question. No, not that. And that's why I've developed a training called prompt engineering for software testers, so that I really show software testers how to use this large language model effectively in the daily task and many use cases for software tester. And the next tool is Gemini. Okay? Gemini from Google. Okay. Let us also ask the question to Gemini, who are you? Okay, who are you? I am Gemini, your direct access to Google AI. I'm trained on large amount of publicly available data, and I can communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of questions. Just try me out and see what I can do for you. You see, here this is another one, Gemini. You can start a new conversation, a new chart, etc. Right? So the next one is called Claude AI from the company Anthropic. Let us also ask Claude AI, who are you? Okay, who are you? Now, we have also the response here. I am Claude, an AI assistant created by Anthropic. I aim to be direct, thoughtful, and helpful in our conversation. I'm currently running the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, a powerful model, which was released in 2024 as part of the Claude 3 model family, etc. You see here, this is another one, and you can also interact with this chatbot, right? So the next one I want to present to you is Mistral AI. Let us also ask, who are you? Who are you, Mistral? I am a large language model trained by the Mistral AI team. That's it. That's short and to the point. Okay, the next tool that I want to show you here, this is Perplexity. This is mainly a research engine. And for example, I say you have who are you? Who are you in the end? You see, it's looking for many things, okay? And let us, for example, ask what are large language models? What are large language models? You will see here, for example, Perplexity. What is interesting, it will be keeping the context also of your research. You have a follow-up question. We will not go through all the features, but generally you will see that Perplexity will give you the sources where you find the information to answer you. You can look at them. You can even here have where they did look, here in the which image, language, which where it did the different research here. And then the other tool I want you to know today is POE. So POE itself is not a large language model, but it is a tool that aggregates many of them. You see, for example, here you have the web research, you have Claude, you see, you have the large language model of Anthropic, GPT-40, you have Grok, you have the Llama. This is the model from Meta. You have Gemini. You see, you can access to many different bots here. And here, for example, we can go if we select here, let's say Claude Sonnet. You see here you have, this is Claude, and you can access directly here. Okay, if I come here at the beginning, you see you can activate the one that you want, and you have more here. And if you want to, for example, use one of ChatGPT, you have to go and select that here. You see here Mistral model, For example, yeah, that's it. So PUA also, if I say who are you, for example, here we have selected a sonnet. You see, I'm Claude, etc. You see, and you can also add attachment. We will not do that. These are other tools. So this is what I wanted to share with you today, that you as a software tester, you can start to take advantage, right, of these different large language models. Go ahead, subscribe, and start to experiment, right, and start to have this AI tool and see how it can help you to be more effective and maximize your output on a day. So I hope it has been useful for you. If it was useful for you, you can like and subscribe to the channel. It will help us with the research algorithm, and you will be also be informed of every new videos that we will be publishing here, because we are publishing almost every day. Okay, I wish you happy testing. Bye bye.